Hello everybody, Earth.Otherwise here. Some errors exist in the video for Chapter 3 Part 3 that may result in some bugs in your code. Sometimes I say deps when I mean dependencies, and if you named your dependencies folder something different, you must substitute that name for the name dependencies. I sometimes typed in the folder names with lowercase letters when the first letter is always uppercase in my personal folders. I'm not sure if that changes anything, but I've rectified this. Additionally, I do not always add all the proper indications to an option. Screenshots are on screen now. Compare your options to mine. Remember to replace the words dependencies and otherwise with your dependencies folder name and your engine name respectively. Remember to make sure that the engine properties go to the engine and the executable properties go to the executable. The engine is otherwise and the executable is tutorial in this instance. Also remember to match debug options and release options. Don't mix them together.